Hello, Kelly Garrison here at Bear Hollow Zoo. I am the zoo coordinator, and this is Ka, the ball python. Now, I know y'all are enjoying Snake Day over there at Sandy Creek Nature Center, and we wanted you to see one of our behind-the-scenes ambassador snakes here at Bear Hollow. Now, Ka is known as a ball python because they're kind of the chicken of the animal kingdom. If they get scared, they like to coil up into a tight little ball, poke their head in the center, and they think, if I can't see you, you can't see me. Now, ball pythons are also known as royal pythons, and that's because they are constrictors, which means they like to squeeze their prey, but the queens and kings in Africa would actually wear them around their wrist as decorations or very, very fancy bracelets. Now, Ka sticking her tongue out right there, she's using that to smell and see if she can find her prey. In Africa, these guys like to eat a very specialized rodent called a soft-furred rat. So it is very, very important that you do your research if you ever do want to keep a ball python in human care to make sure that it is captive born and able to eat the mice that we have right here in the United States, because soft-furred rats are not readily available in the United States like they are in Africa. Ball pythons are also one of the longest lived snakes, so again, do your research because these guys can be around with you for up to 40 years. Well, I hope y'all have a great Snake Day over there at the Nature Center. We'll see you next time.